Class 10 students. Now I'll do chapter 11D geometric progression from Selena Publishers Concise Mathematics. See, these are the formula, you know it, already given to you. Today mainly I will use this formula, sum formula. Sn equal to n into r to the power n minus 1 by r minus 1 if r greater than 1, and if r less than 1, then this formula n into, it is a into, it is mistake there, a into, it will be a into here a into r to the power n minus 1 by r minus 1. Formula will be a into 1 minus r to the power n by 1 minus r if r less than 1. These are the sums, you can take screenshot. I am going to solve these sums from the beginning. See the sum, find the sum of the GP 1, 3, 9, 27, total 12 terms we have to add. See the sum, 12 terms I have to add. So first term a is equal to 1, this is first term. R formula, second term by first term, so second term is 3, first term is 1, so it is 3. n equal to 12 because 12 terms we have to add. Now Sn formula a into r to the power n by r to the power n minus 1 by r minus 1. Here r is greater than 1, see 3, that means greater than 1, that is why this formula. Now put the value of a, put the value of r. Now 3 minus 1, that is 2, and 3 to the power 12 minus 1, that is the answer. See second sum, we have to add these 8 terms. So here a is equal to first term, r is equal to second term by first term, that means this is second term, this is first term. So I remove points. So if you remove point, 3 digits are there, so multiply by 100. Remove this point, 1 digit is there, so multiply by 10, so it is coming 1 by 10, it is less than 1. See, r less than 1, that is why this formula. So sum is 8, total number of term is 8, given 8 terms, that is why. Now sum formula a into 1 minus r to the power n by 1 minus r, value of a you put, value of r you put, then see 1 minus 1 by 10, so 10 minus 1, that is 9 by 10. So 9 by 10 will be multiplied by 10 by 9 after going to the numerator. Then do cancellation, so the answer is this. Then there are 9 terms, so value of n is 9. First term a, r equal to second term by first term, so minus of, that means less than 1. So the formula we have to use, sum formula, a into 1 minus r to the power n by 1 minus r. Put the value of a, put the value of r. Now here it is coming plus, so 3 plus, so 1 plus 1 by 2, that is 2 plus 1 by 2, that is 3 by 2. So this 3 by 2 will go up and will be 2 by 3. And here minus minus plus it is, so 2 to the power 9, this is the answer. Here total n terms, so n is n only. A is equal to 1 and r equal to second term by first term, this is second term, so minus 1 by 3, that is less than 1. So Sn formula a into 1 minus r to the power n by 1 minus r. Now put the value, so it will be minus only here and down 3, 1 plus 1 by 3, that is 3 plus 1, 4 by 3, so it will be 3 by 4. And here as it is, see, as it is, that is the answer. This sum you see, first term is this, second term, r equal to second term by first term, so this will go above, this is r. Now Sn equal to a into r to the power n minus 1 by r minus 1. Now see one thing, in your book they have applied formula 1 minus r to the power n by 1 minus r, because they consider x, y both are positive. So x will be bigger, y will be lesser. They considered in this way. But I have not considered that, because x, y they have not told that they are positive. So y can be negative, x can be positive. In that situation we have to use this formula. So if you use a into r to the power n minus 1 by r minus 1, put the value and get answer. Now question is that in the book here minus sign is not there, plus sign is there, and here it is 1 minus r to the power n. So you can, if you multiply 1 inside, then it will match with book's answer. 1 minus this, minus multiply, then 1 minus this to the power n. Next this is a, r equal to second by first, root 3 means root 3 by 1, so it is 1 by 3. So Sn is a into 1 minus r to the power n by 1 minus r. This is value of a, this is value of r. So 3 minus 1, that is 2 by 3 will be 3 by 2, that is the answer. Here we have this is total n terms, you have to find the value of n. This total n terms sum is given this, you have to find the value of n. Now a is this, r equal to second term by first term, that is 4. Sn formula, a into a value is 1, a into r to the power n minus 1 by r minus 1. Now put the value of r, so it is 3. So 3 will be multiplied here, that I did. 3 into this is this minus 1 will go that side, will be plus. So if you add this, it is coming this. Now this thing you do, you take divide by 4, divide by 4, divide by 4, it is coming this. So 4 to the power 3, 3, 6, 7, 4 to the power 7 I have written. So 4, 4 cancel, n equal to 7. So 7 terms if you add, then you will get this thing, that is the answer. That's all for this video.